Here it is, almost noon on a Friday, and it is raining in Pennsylvania. The water has covered Storm Store Road. And if you look down, you can't even tell that there's a little drainage ditch in front of the house. It is completely overfilled with water. Unreal. Wow. Sending home the little boys early from school today. And hopefully this will slow down enough to let the water get off the road. That's why they put them big tires on the school bus. But wow. Look at that. Just running. Oh, here comes a truck. Going through. That's a guy on roofing. Roofing company. And that's a big truck. He's having trouble getting through it. Sweet. Under the sweep. It's wild.